In a world of high school, there is drama.
Hey, Troy. Fuck off, sister. He is mine. Also, there are many stars in one man. Oh, my freak. You are Zac Efron.
No, he's trying to think loud.
Now he's a 30-year-old man. No, I'm Troy Bolton.
Well, I'm Edward Cullen.
Who?
Sunny dude, I'm a killer.
Oh, creepy. There are many different species, like vampires.
I know what you are. Tell me out loud.
Werewolf.
How did you know?
Dumb one. Oh my gosh, why did you do the jazz square, Brian?
I thought we needed them.
No, we need jazz hands!
Singing weirdos.
Let's go to our special singing garden thing.
Should have started it.
Okay, James Bond.
My eyes.
Don't care.
Oh, I got it. This is a fun song.
Oh yeah.
Help. I drink blood.
Change me now because it's